In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome if you're experiencing glitching and artifacting, especially when hardware acceleration is turned on. This issue can be particularly frustrating, but fortunately, it's something we can address with some simple troubleshooting steps. Let's dive right into it. First, a common cause of the glitching issue with hardware acceleration in Chrome is outdated graphics drivers. Keeping these drivers up to date ensures your system can handle graphics-intensive tasks and operate smoothly. Start by right-clicking on the Start menu on your desktop and selecting Device Manager from the list. This will launch a window where you can manage all your hardware components. Next, look for the section called Display Adapters and click the small arrow to expand it. Here, you should see the name of your graphics card, whether it's from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Right-click on your graphics card, and from the options that appear, select Update Driver. You'll then want to choose the option that says Search automatically for updated driver software. Follow the prompts and your system will search the web for any available updates for your graphics drivers and install them for you. This process is crucial as it ensures your computer's graphical interface runs optimally. After updating your drivers, it's essential to verify that Chrome is using hardware acceleration correctly. Chrome has a helpful built-in diagnostic page that shows you the status of your hardware acceleration. To access this, open Chrome and type Chrome//GPU in the address bar, then hit Enter. This page is a goldmine of diagnostic information, but can seem intimidating at first glance. What you want to look for is the section that says Graphics Feature Status. Here, you should check if the entries state Hardware Accelerated. Additionally, for a more detailed overview, look for Web GPU in the same section. Another vital piece of information on this page is under the Problems Detected section at the bottom. This section will note any specific issues that might be causing glitches, giving you a clear idea if further steps need investigating or if a particular setting adjustment is required. In summary, by ensuring that your graphics drivers are up to date, and verifying that Chrome's internal GPU status confirms hardware acceleration is active, you greatly reduce the chance of encountering glitches or artifacting in Google Chrome. If issues persist, you may need to explore further troubleshooting steps or consult Chrome's support forums for more specific advice. Hopefully, these initial steps have brought some much-needed smooth sailing back to your browsing experience. Thanks for joining me today, and stay tuned for more tech tips and tutorials.